Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious shrimp garlic butter. This simple recipe is perfect for a quick weeknight meal or a special occasion. We will start by gathering our fresh ingredients, including about 1 pound of large shrimp, 4 tablespoons of rich unsalted butter, and 4 to 6 cloves of aromatic fresh garlic. Get ready for a truly flavorful experience. Before we start cooking, proper preparation is key. First, make sure your 1 pound of shrimp are perfectly peeled and deveined. This ensures a clean taste and texture. Next, finely mince your 4 to 6 cloves of garlic to release their full aroma and flavor. Gently melt about 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter and have your fresh parsley chopped and ready for the final touch. These steps set the stage for success. Now for the exciting part, cooking. Begin by sautéing your minced garlic in a hot pan for about 30 seconds, just until it becomes wonderfully fragrant. Then, add your 1 pound of shrimp to the pan, ensuring they are in a single layer for even cooking. Cook them for only 2 to 3 minutes per side, until they turn a beautiful pink and are opaque. Finally, stir in your 4 tablespoons of melted butter, along with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper, to create that irresistible sauce. To complete your culinary masterpiece, garnish the hot shrimp with a generous sprinkle of freshly chopped parsley, adding a pop of color and freshness. Serve your delicious shrimp garlic butter immediately, accompanied by fresh lemon wedges for a bright, zesty counterpoint. This versatile dish pairs wonderfully with a bed of pasta, fluffy rice, or even some crusty bread to soak up all that amazing sauce. Enjoy every single bite of your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.